The top 5 talking birds of the planet. Number 5, the Eclectus parrot, renowned for its ability to mimic human speech with remarkable clarity. Number 4, the cockatoo, a highly intelligent bird known for its expressive communication skills. Number 3, the blue-fronted Amazon parrot, with its impressive vocabulary and playful demeanor. Number 2, the yellow-naped Amazon parrot, famous for its clear and distinct vocalizations. And finally, number 1, the African grey parrot, known for its exceptional ability to mimic human speech. These incredible talking birds bring joy and entertainment to those around them. Whether it's mimicking our words or creating their own unique sounds, these birds showcase the beauty of nature's diversity. Did you know?